that you counting for me, baby, cause you hold me down. And when you with me, it's a feeling, all you do is smile. It ain't no chick up in this world that could replace you now. That's why I spin it on you now, because you hold me down. I grab the chopper and the clips, I got you loaded now. I spin the block, I got you hanging out the window now. See, that's my baby, that's my shawty, my little rider now.
So right now we're in Malibu. We're on our way to Nobu.
Quick, everybody say happy birthday to her. It's her birthday today, July 2nd. She is officially 21 years old, and right now she's about to order her first alcohol beverage.